the night sky? Yes, you're right. It's moon. So today I'm going to be telling you 5 facts about the moon. Hi friends, it's me Leesha and you're watching Leesha's Paradise. Thanks for clicking. Let's get into the video. Fact number 1. Do you know how old is moon? Moon is 4.5 billion years old. Oh my God! Fact number 2. If you're on moon, you would weigh 6 times less. Like if someone weighed 60 kg on Earth, he would weigh 10 kg on moon. Fact number 3. The moon has extreme temperature. Boiling hot in the sun and freezing cold in the shadows. Brr. When the sun hits its surface, the temperature reaches to 127 degrees Celsius. When the sun goes down, the temperature reaches to minus 153 degrees Celsius. Fact number 4. No one has visited the moon for at least 40 years. But the footprints of astronauts who walked on the moon are still there. Do you know why? Because there is no wind or water on the moon. Oh my! Fact number 5. Do you know the moon has mountains? Mount Hagen is the moon's tallest mountain. Isn't the facts amazing? Thanks for watching. Please smash that like button and subscribe to my channel, Leesha's Paradise, and don't forget to turn on the notification bells. Bye!